thing. Look where the electrodes are.
Okay.
Heart rate's good.
Okay, sweetheart. Rub it on your tummy.
Bless her heart.
Never know where that's going to hold up. That was in the back of her head there, Becky, so.
Okay.
That big old head.
We're going to take them off her color. She's pooping.
She looks good. Yeah, she's a pretty good sized girl. Pretty good sized girl.
Relax your bottom. We gotta get the placenta out, okay?
Let's get you cleaned out.
Let it out. Let loose here.
Not
A short neck.
She said, leave me alone. It's been a rough day.
Okay? Try not to tighten your body up where you can't get that out.
What's that do?
Just
Just a
suction
suction.
out. Keep her from getting all that stuff in her lungs and everything.
Relax your bottom.
All right, we went down her mouth. I guess we're going to go down her nose.
This is definitely one from MySpace.
MySpace.
Okay.
We're putting videos on and pictures.
Oh. Well, you don't think somebody will come kidnap her, do you?
Oh, that sounds like a big girl's cry.
That was a like I didn't get my way kind of cry.
All right, bear it down.
Honey.
Oh.
Go on cord there.
Yeah.
How much she left on it. How much did y'all leave on?
I'm feeling it.
What? Look how long
Feel
this
that big
is.
old knot?
Hey,
Yeah.
how much did you get?
You want to measure that one out? No, it's the massages and the medicine. Because what you do is if you leave it that hard, then the blood goes out instead of in. You don't want it to fill back up with blood. You want it to get out. So when you feel cramping, you just send in the
Yeah. Hi, baby girl. Happy birthday.
Okay. Down your body.
Looks good.
What do we got right here?
It is, isn't it? And
Right there.
are you feeling me? Yes. You hurt?
71 and 46.
76 and
76 and 46.
What is that? Yeah.
That was a mistake.